35 rebounds, 22 steals, 13 blocks, and 16 assists. Last year he appeared in 7 games due to a season-ending injury, but he averaged 3.9 points per game. He had a season-high 11 points against Connecticut. This season he has played in 14 games, making one start with a career-high 4.9 points per game on 14 three-pointers. He also scored his career-high 15 points against Staten Island on January 8th. This season has also excelled in the classroom, having been named to the ECC Commissioner's Honor Roll and NABC Honors Board. He is a finance major from Westport, Connecticut. Today he is accompanied by his mother Tracy and his father Tim. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a rousing round of applause for number 5, Max Mitchell! Ladies and gentlemen, our next senior is a two-year member of the Western University men's basketball team after transferring from the University of Bridgeport, and he is also the team captain. He has appeared in 103 games, making 72 starts, scoring 811 points, to go along with 482 assists, 274 rebounds, 68 three-pointers, and 155 steals. He currently ranks 8th in the program in history with assists. Last season, he was named to the ECC Honor Roll twice after appearing in all 26 games, making 22 starts and averaging 12.2 points a game to go along with 4.5 assists and 1.2 steals per contest. He led the team in assists and steals per game. This season also ranked third on the team in points per game and was fourth in the ECC in assists. He scored a career-high 25 points against UBC on January 22nd of 2024 and dished out a season-high 10 assists against Cheney and Queens. He has also started all 23 games and is averaging a season-high 6-point assists per game with 7 points and 1.4 steals per contest. He currently leads the ECC in assists per game and is 8th nationally in assists and 15th nationally in assists with 138. He currently has the 6th most assists in a single season in program history and has 4 games with double-digit assists. He recorded a career-high 15 assists in the wins in the victory against Staten Island on February 12th and has a season-high 15 points at Bridgeport on November 8th. The 15 assists against CSI are the 6th